We're going to change the chrome grills to the real schmick black ones. I just got cheap ones off Amazon, so we're going to check fitment. And this will be a little review of those, and I'll put a link for the grills we used in the description so you can save some bucks and get the cheapos if they work out. We're going to do it nice and quick. We're going to undo these. These are T30s. There's a series of them across the front. There's just, what have we got here? There's 6 of these to undo. And that'll give us enough room to get our hand in behind to loosen the clips and pop it out. Once you get one, the other one will be piece of cake, so we'll have lots of room for it. We did have a fat piece of weather stripping on there. It just clips into the groove, so you just pull that out. Now that that's off, there's a little tab. The headlights are kind of under. We'll just make sure that doesn't break, because we don't want to break the tab on the headlights. But that you feel it clip in as well. There we go. And there should be enough room, because there's these metal clips here, so they just slid out. And there should be enough room to get your hand in there and move it. Oh, maybe not. Maybe our Australian spec cars might have a different front bumper and stuff inside here. We shall investigate. For just comparison, this is the replacement. So we're going to push down on these tabs from above, and then we should be able to get our hand in there better. So there's yeah, there's enough room. I can get in there. There's like another rubber shroud kind of thing, which is there, but we can get around it. Now, okay. I'm pretty sure we just got to push down. I got big hands. It doesn't help. If we get one corner, the whole thing should be able to just pop out from there. There we go. So you just got to push down on the little tab. You'll feel them as you go across, and your new grills will have them, so you can compare. But I got one there. Now I got to get in there. Maybe a bit backhanded there. Come on. Is that the tab? That's the tab. Come on. Actually, they might alternate. Kind of get your fingers in on the other side too, but it's a bit tricky. There we go. It's coming. That's 2. Sometimes with these panels it helps to kind of push it back in a little bit and pull it back out, because it kind of grabs the teeth. All right, I got the technique. I'll show you. Here. So here's how to do it. You want to feel inside, feel, and then you'll feel the middle bit and push that down. And that'll go bloop right out. And we'll keep a little tension on it so it doesn't really clip back in. There should be another one there. Yep. Now where's my others along the bottom? Oh, this is gonna be fun. Right in there. Yep, that's that one. kind of stuck. Ouch. I wonder if we can get the bottom ones from inside here. That's a no.
We're still missing one on the top.
Yeah, I know. I'll put back in. You should just come out.
It's the top one should come out pretty easy now.
Yeah, you think so, but maybe not. There's one on the side. There's one on the side here. Yeah, there we go. And now there's 3 along the bottom. Yeah, I got that one. Which one's left? Middle one's out. I think it's just this. Yeah, far corner. Ow, there we go. So it's tricky. Didn't take too long. It was just a couple minutes.
So pretty painful.
Well, I'm not bleeding. That's a plus. Okay, now from this one, easy. You can just reach right in here and start going around. Popping grills, popping tabs. All right, here we go. Yeah, so easy. First one, a bit more of a struggle. This is a pretty easy job to do yourself, that's for sure.
Yeah, so there's like multiple ways. So you can either take the bumper off, or you can just do it like this way.
Yeah, no one wants to take the bumper off for this. This is too easy.
What if they want to replace the front bumper?
Done.
Right,
Both off. Now to put them on, you might want to
that's a good question.
clean this up a little.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right, go get a cloth, we'll clean it up, and then we'll put them back in. So we'll just give that a little wipe down. I'm not going to be in here cleaning again anytime soon. And then we'll just line them up. And line it pretty good. Now these ones don't have the M2 logo. I'm sure I could probably
Get one with it.
I don't know. Well, I've seen people actually split these apart and put this one back on top of this one.
Yeah, it's trying to work.
No, this one looks like it's one. Oh no, it's 2 pieces. We could probably get the genuine one apart and put the black one on, actually, if you want to maintain the M2 bit.
Yeah, but
what do you want to do?
Good for stealth. No one wants to.
Yeah, okay. All black, D-chrome, including the M badge.
In.
Look at that. Clipped in. Grab the other one. Grab it. Grab the other one. All right, second one. Clips in. Oh, that looks better. Okay. While he was getting that, I just put this all back into position, put the tabs underneath. We got 6
Torx.
T30s to go back in. Let's get them finger tight, and then you can do them, boy. Bumper is secure. The strip that goes along here Just fits in a little groove.
You don't have to do this, but this is easier.
You gotta put it back in.
I mean,
Goes all the way in. It's a definitely have to do this. Fits in. A little channel on the back of the rubber and a little groove there.
looks nice and secure.
Done.
And that's how to change grills on M2.